Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Adobe error code 501. The error reads, "App package to be installed is trying to access a file that is in use by a different application." As per our research, the error comes while installing or updating the Creative Cloud desktop app. Some users have also reported seeing this error while downloading other Adobe apps. According to our research, the error is caused when the Adobe app installer tries to access a file that is already being used by another running application. The first thing we suggest is to save your work and close the application that is being reported in the error. If you are unable to close the application normally, then open Task Manager. Then go to the Processes tab, then find the application in the list, then right-click on it and select End Task. Once done, try downloading or updating the Adobe app again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try installing the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app first. Once it's installed, try downloading the required Adobe app again and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try updating your Creative Cloud app to the latest version. Once the update is complete, check if this helps with the error. At last, if nothing helps, then you should reach out to Adobe support and report the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.